Your ceramic coatings can't do this. What we're going to be doing is $500 off any Icon Rocklear package if you can scratch through the coating on this test hood and get down to the paint. Come on in. We invite any single person in the entire country to come on in and scratch this test hood. This is Icon Rocklear, the world's strongest, thickest, and most durable and glossiest coating to date. It's 25 times thicker than a ceramic coating, 75 times stronger, 30% glossier, and 20 times UV protection. We've got a pipe bender here. We're going to drag across it, and I've got keys. We can try a bunch of different keys. I want to show you that Icon Rocklear is key and scratch resistant up to 30%. Now, you can still take the key and scratch the Icon, but it's repairable. You can wet sand it, you can buff it, polish it down, and recoat if needed. Take a peek. Check this out. All I'm going to do is take the key, and I'm going to scratch it against it. You can grab a different key if we want. And all we got to do is buff it out. Now what I'm going to do is take this pipe bender. You can feel how hard it is. It's pretty heavy. And all we're going to do is drag it right across. And as you can see, with just a little wipe and a little buff, you can clearly see all the damage. All we need is a little buff and this is gone. It's Icon Rocklear for you. If you are looking to get a quote for Icon Rocklear, come down to our shop, 9936 Express Drive in Highland, Indiana. Again, if you can scratch through the Icon Rocklear, we are giving $500 off any Icon Rocklear package for your vehicle. Give me a call at 219-533-8783 to book a consultation, to get a tour of the shop, and so we can pick a package that's right for your vehicle. You can also shoot me a text, 708-400-1058, or visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info, or also send me an email, contact, C-O-N-T-A-C-T, at attn2detail.info. Aaron with attention to detail, out.